Afghan farmers often lack basic knowledge of agricultural methods, limiting yields and decreasing the quality of crops. A more obvious problem for Afghanistan's farmers is low rainfall and dwindling water resources. The country often suffers from drought, and wasteful irrigation techniques have lowered water tables in many areas. Many people working to develop Afghanistan dream of turning its arid land into huge tracts of vineyards, fruit orchards, and vegetable gardens, vastly increasing the amount of land under cultivation and improving the lives and incomes of farmers. One giant step towards this objective will be the implementation of drip irrigation, a system using a series of hoses to place water only on targeted plants to conserve water and improve crop management. Another benefit is that drip irrigation doesn't waste water on weeds, and it provides an efficient way to apply fertilizers. In January of 2003, Central Asia Development Group established drip irrigation demonstration plots in the Kandahar and Helmand provinces. Afghan farmers were introduced to the benefits of the new technology in a series of demonstrations by CADG employees. The next step was the installation of drip irrigation in Kandahar's Jari district, site of CADG's peanut factory that provides employment for internally displaced persons and creates domestically produced cooking oil. The work was the start of a partnership between CADG and Netafim, the world leader in drip irrigation.
One guy of Netafim company has come here as a technician, and we started to install this drip irrigation demonstration plot. In 15 days we have installed everything, and also we invite some people from the area close to learn and see these things, and they work with us and they learn and got an idea.
The Jari drip irrigation site is a high-pressure system that will cultivate 12 hectares of land. Internally displaced persons are gaining skills in new agricultural technology, and the desolate area near the Jari IDP camp will come under cultivation. This work was sponsored by the UN High Commission for Refugees and the United States Agency for International Development. The area used for this site was not only desert that had never been cultivated before, but also contained landmines that were removed during the drip irrigation installation. The first planting will be divided between sections for vegetable gardens and nurseries. After completion of the Jari drip irrigation work, a senior manager from Netafim visited Afghanistan to evaluate other areas for drip irrigation.
I can see a similarity in the agriculture in Afghanistan compared to other countries in the region, especially Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, where climate conditions are very much the same. Farmers are irrigating mainly by flood and furrow irrigation, achieving very low yields, very old methods of cultivations, where modern techniques can be of a great help to these kind of farmers.
The arid southern province of Zabul is the site of a future drip irrigation demonstration plot.
In Zabul province, they are the Kharezi system, which has the gravity to irrigate the land for that. So we took Netafim technician, Mr. Otto, over there to Sharisapa, and he checked that area, the gravity, and also got the map of that lands.
For Afghan farmers, controlling weeds, improving yields, and increasing the amount of land under cultivation are some of the most attractive benefits of drip irrigation.
For the past few days we traveled in several regions around Ashkarga. Most of the farmers are using a very old method, and as such they are wasting a lot of their limited resources of water. For instance, we visited yesterday a farmer that is having 27 Jari, but in effect he can only irrigate 12 Jari because of the lack of water. I think that with modern technique we can triple the amount of land being irrigated, and as such we can provide solutions for more workers, we can increase the yields, we can reduce the amount of water wastage, and of course decrease the amount of fertilizer being used.
While Central Asia Development Group educates farmers with many different technologies and methods to improve the yields and quality of farm products, we feel that drip irrigation is one that can have a major impact in the changing of the landscape of Afghanistan.